Hi, I'm going to show you how to solve this 3x3 Rubik cube. The first step is to create a white cross with yellow in the middle. This doesn't contain any sequence. In second step, we are going to create a proper white cross. Line up the adjacent color and rotate in 360 degree. This way we completed the white cross. In step number 3, we are going to complete the white face. Find the missing whites and move it to the left or the right corner. If you have a white in the left corner, line up the adjacent color diagonally and do the following algorithm. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise. If you have a white in the right corner, line up the adjacent color diagonally, and the algorithm is left clockwise, up counterclockwise, left counterclockwise. We completed the white face. We also completed the bottommost layer. In step number 4, we are going to finish the middle layer. Line up the center portion. If you have the adjacent color remaining portion on the right side, start the algorithm from here. Up clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise. Now we are going to do the third step again. Match this color diagonally, left clockwise. We completed the middle layer. In fifth step, we are going to create a yellow cross. The algorithm is front clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. Now we have a yellow cross here. In step number 6, we are going to complete the yellow face. The algorithm is right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise twice, right counterclockwise.